The top profitable data science startup ideas in 2023. A critical and consequently highly profitable area to build your company around is data science. From individual counseling to organization counseling to data exposure, to name just a few. There are many startup firms with spectacular open doors. Data science startup ideas play a vital role in person decision. First startup is start a digital marketing business. While modern computerized advertising consists of a massive network of channels that advertisers only need to add their brand to, online advertising is far from perplexing the channel alone advertising. The main driving reason behind modern advertising are data science and computerized thinking. Assuming you begin with advanced promoting business, the world of computerized advertising is vast, has many potential extensions. Second, start a dating website. When considering starting a dating site, making sure to get an open source version of the software. Since this fundamental, you may easily alter the product application to suit your company's requirement and your customer trendy new preferences. Third, set up a scientific computing service. Logical processing is the use of numerical simulator and model to address a logic problem, typically on a high performance computer. This multidisciplinary discipline, which is rapidly expanding, uses advanced reasoning skills to analyze to resolve challenging problems in the computer and business world. You can build up a logical figuring administration to help companies that would need assistance because you are a trustworthy person in this field. 4. Launch a business in advanced analytics. The term progress investigation refers to a broad range of analysis intended to provide business with a deeper understanding of their data. Then they would typically have some of these techniques make us of artificial intelligence, data mining, predictive analyzing, local research, big data research, and local insight. 5th, start a data analytics blog. If you are interested in data analysis and AI but unable to pursue other area of data analysis, you may also start a related blog where you can keep up with the most recent development in every topic that touches on data. 6. Start a CRM service. The term client relationship management CRM refers to procedure, method, and innovative that business use to monitor and analyze client cooperation and data through the client lifecycle. Strength business relationship with client and support client maintenance and promote daily growth. 7. Start a fraud detection service. Data analysis is measurement of location have a profound association that is extended for a long time. Extortion and other similar financial crime are being committed at a rapid rate. Additionally, it is becoming nearly impossible for business to discriminate between different types of extortion instances. 8. Launch your security software company. The phrase security software is general. On the other hand, it refers to consumer level applications like antivirus software and cookies cleaner. However, it also refers to extensive network security solution that shield website from structured information leaks. You must first decide what kind of security software you want to offer. If you want to proceed down this path, then start putting it into practice. 9. Create an e-commerce platform. By far biggest user data science or e-commerce platform, they must manage data from tens of thousands of different clients. Additionally, they need to maintain a catalog with hundreds of distinct products. On the most lucrative business development in the AI sector is launching an e-commerce platform. You can either sell your goods or even better work as